Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play 2-player on UFC 6. It's a really simple process, so just follow along. There are basically two ways to play with another player in UFC 6. The first option is local multiplayer, where both players use the same console with two controllers. The second option is online play, where you invite a friend and play together over the internet. Starting with local multiplayer, go to the UFC 6 home screen and select Fight Now. Before moving ahead, make sure a second controller is connected to your console. You can do this either with a cable or wirelessly. The easiest method is to connect the second controller the same way the first one was connected. Just plug the controller into the console using a cable, then press the PlayStation button and the controller should connect automatically. If you don't have a cable, you can still connect it wirelessly. On the second controller, press and hold the PlayStation button together with the create button in the upper left area until the light starts blinking. Then using the controller that's already connected, open settings, go to accessories, then Bluetooth accessories. Under the list of available accessories, select the second controller and complete the connection. If you are on Xbox, press the Xbox button on your second controller to turn it on. If the controller isn't paired yet, hold the sync button on the controller, then hold the sync button on the Xbox console for a few seconds. When both lights begin flashing, let go and wait a moment until the controller connects and the light becomes steady. If pairing still doesn't work, connect the controller to the console with a USB cable, press the Xbox button again and it should pair automatically. Once the second controller is connected and ready, return to the game and select Fight Now option and choose the type of match you want to play. From here, you can customize things like rounds, match duration and other match settings. I'm not going into all of those options in this video, but you can adjust them however you want. After that, press start using the main controller. You'll then be able to assign each controller to a different side, one player in the red corner and the other in the blue corner. Once both controllers are assigned, choose your fighters from the roster and start playing. If you want to play online instead, go back to the main menu and open the online section. Scroll down and select invite a friend. From there, choose your event settings, set up the match and invite your friends through your PlayStation friends list, Xbox friends list or EA friends list. And that's it. That's how you play 2-player on UFC 6. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.